Sardines are one of the most important fish in the world, providing food for millions of people while playing a crucial role in the ocean's ecosystem. But have you ever wondered how these small but mighty fish are caught, processed, and preserved? In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of modern sardine fishing and canning. Stay with us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating content. Did you know sardines are like dancers of the ocean? They move in massive synchronized schools that stretch for miles, creating breathtaking silver waves. And their shimmering scales reflect light, making them glow underwater, helping them blend in and escape predators. An interesting fact about sardines is that their name originates from the island of Sardinia, Italy, which was once known for its abundant sardine population. Sardine fishing dates back thousands of years. By the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution transformed the industry. The first canned sardines appeared in France and quickly gained global popularity for their convenience and delicious taste. Today, they are a staple food, produced with modern, safe, and nutritious processes. Did you know that sardine fishing is one of the world's largest fisheries, with millions of tons caught yearly? Fishing for sardines is a highly coordinated process that relies on advanced technology and traditional expertise. Fishermen use high-tech fish finders to locate large schools of sardines in the open ocean. Once the fish are detected, purse-seine nets, a large circular net that surrounds the fish, are deployed to capture them efficiently while minimizing harm to other marine species. Some modern fishing fleets also use fish pumps to gently transfer the sardines from the net into refrigerated seawater tanks, ensuring they remain fresh. This method not only maximizes the catch quality, but also helps sustain the sardine population by allowing smaller fish to escape. Once sardines are caught, proper preservation is crucial to maintain their freshness and quality. Instead of simply piling them in bins, sardines are immediately stored in onboard cold storage rooms with chilled seawater or ice slurry to slow down bacterial growth and preserve their texture. Some vessels utilize vacuum pumps to gently move the fish, preventing damage. Upon arrival at the port, the sardines are quickly transported to processing facilities in refrigerated trucks, ensuring they remain fresh and ready for canning or other preparations. Upon arrival at the factory, freshly caught sardines are immediately processed to ensure quality and freshness. The fish are thoroughly washed to remove any impurities before moving further along the production line. A conveyor system automatically sorts the sardines by size, ensuring uniformity in the final product. The heads of the sardines are then removed, and the fish are thoroughly washed to ensure cleanliness. They then move along a conveyor belt, where workers manually inspect and sort the cut fish to ensure quality and consistency before the next processing stage. Meanwhile, metal cans are produced in-house or supplied by manufacturers, ensuring airtight and durable packaging. The prepared sardines are carefully placed into the cans, followed by the addition of flavorful sauces or oils. The cans are then hermetically sealed to lock in freshness. The sealed cans undergo high-temperature retort cooking to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, and kill bacteria. Finally, the canned sardines are cooled, labeled, and packed for storage in climate-controlled warehouses before being distributed to retailers worldwide. This modern process ensures that sardines remain nutritious, flavorful, and safe for consumption. From the vast ocean to your plate, sardines go through an incredible journey of careful fishing, rapid preservation, and high-tech canning to maintain their freshness and flavor. This process not only supports the global seafood industry, but also ensures that we can enjoy nutritious and delicious sardines anytime, anywhere. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.